This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS and Company Mortgage Professionals.
Good Tuesday morning, everybody. So glad you joined us on this Tuesday morning. As usual, Jeff Farnham joining us from JTS Mortgage. Jeff is the president. Last week, we talked about free mortgage checkups for customers.
Right.
Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, that's just something we offer. We think it's a good idea every couple of years or so to just review your position, see where you're at, see where interest rates are compared to the market where you're at. Are you on a fixed rate or adjustable rate? There's still a lot of people out there that are on higher interest rate mortgages, maybe 6, 7. We even saw one the other day that was around 10% on their mortgage. We had a call the other day from somebody that still has an adjustable rate mortgage. So right now with where rates are, that's a great opportunity to come in and put those on more favorable terms.
Rates are relatively low, or at least they were last week. Where are we at now?
You know, rates are still, we're seeing them in historical lows. And what we mean by that, you know, an average rate over the past 3 or 4 decades runs 7-8%, somewhere in that range on average. Right now, you're still well below that in the 4s and 3% on the 10 and 15-year terms. So, yeah, rates are really low and they're holding out fairly steady.
And still opportunities for consumers right
Absolutely,
now.
Yeah. I mean, there's all kinds of opportunity, whether you're buying or refinancing, plenty of opportunity with rates where they are. It just gives you a lot of purchasing power and a lot of options.
Can we talk a little bit about cash out or debt consolidation, how that works, and how folks maybe should take advantage of that?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, when using equity in your home sometimes is a good method of paying for things or reconsolidating things, or maybe you're cashing out to do some home improvements or help pay for college, or there's just a lot of different reasons why you could do that. So we'll use the existing equity in the home and pull that out. And a lot of times that's better than having a second mortgage or maybe financing things on credit cards or on installment loans and different things and end up with 2 payments. So sometimes you can just really improve your cash flow position by doing that. So it's one of the things we look at. And in addition to that, if you're looking at refinancing, right now with where rates are, you can actually shorten those 30-year terms up to maybe a 10 or 15-year term and possibly keep the payment really close to where you're at right now. And when you shorten that term from a 30-year down to a 15-year term, it just really is going to save you thousands of dollars in interest over the remainder.
If I wanted to take that trip to Europe and spend 2 weeks, I could use that money, or how could I use that?
Yeah, if you do a cash out refinance, you can use that money any way you want to do it. If that's a trip is what you're wanting to use it for, you can do that. If it's to do home improvements, you can do that. If it's to consolidate debt or buy a boat or a car, any number of things, that's your money, so you can certainly use it however you want to.
Anything we missed this morning that we should be talking about?
No, I mean, just you know, rates where they are. If you're been thinking about purchasing, it's just really a great time to do that. And you do need to do that free checkup. It doesn't cost anything for us to evaluate where you are. And if you're in a great spot, we'll tell you that. You know, we don't mind doing that.
How difficult is the process, or how easy is the process?
You know, one thing we work real hard on, we make it really simple. You can actually do a text application, text the letters JTS to the number 48421 to do an application. You can jump online on our website. You can give our office a call and we can run through it with you very, very quickly.
I can attest that I have called, I have used your service, and you have some great people working for you.
Thank you,
Jeff, as usual.
Yeah.
It's so good to see you.
Good to see you, Steve. Appreciate
Happy
it.
Tuesday.
Thank you.
We'll have more Sunrise after this.